Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Monise, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made that adorable little heart-shaped wreath for Valentine's Day. And I will also be sharing a iced coffee drink that you can make for Valentine's Day as well. I got this heart-shaped wreath at Hobby Lobby for $3, and then the Spanish moss and the flowers are all from Joann Fabrics, which I believe they are closing, but I could be mistaken. I've just been hearing a lot of rumors. So if you know for sure if they are closing, you should comment down below because I love it. It is expensive. That's the only thing I don't like about Joann Fabrics, but they have the most beautiful gardening, like garden decor, and that's my favorite place to go for decorating gardens. So what I'm doing here, I'm just kind of taking off all the florals and everything from the stems. And what I ended up doing is I used a hot glue gun and I put the Spanish moss around the heart first, and then I just kept slowly adding what I thought would look okay onto the moss, and then I just kept doing this until I liked the way it looked, and it was as simple as that. You might want to use the wires, like, you know, the floral green wires, to hold all this together, because I do think that the hot glue was not enough. It'll eventually fall off if I don't put the wiring in. That's just my advice to you. I wanted this to kind of look boho, and I think it kind of does give that feel. And I actually ended up removing the wall art that I did in last week's video, and I put the heart over it just until Valentine's Day is over. I just think it's so cute here. I want to take a break and share something with you guys. If you're anything like me, any scent, like scented candles or those Bath & Body Works wallflower plugins that have that really strong smell, they give me headaches and they give me like a really sore, scratchy throat if I breathe it in for too long. I'm extremely sensitive to those toxic smells, and if you know anything about that, those things are actually really not good for you to breathe in on a daily basis. So the solution to that, because I know that everybody wants a fresh smelling house and home, and you can have that without feeling the headaches and the sore throats and just feeling awful. Years ago, I looked into essential oils and diffusing oils and things like that, and I've loved it ever since. But recently I have come across a really great company. This company is called Simply Earth, and I love them so much. I only have a few essential oils from them, but I did sign up to be an ambassador for their company, which means that they've given me a code to give to you, and whenever you purchase something with that code, I will earn a little bit of commission from that. My code is MONISEFREE, all capital letters. I will put it on the screen for you if you are interested in any of that. If you use my code, you will get a percentage off, and they have so many options on their websites. You can get essential oil blends, you can get separate ones to kind of make your own recipe in the diffuser to smell like a certain season or whatever. I know there's like Christmas ones, there's fall, there's so many different options. But they also have kits where you can make your own recipes for lotion, lip balm, rollers with essential oils. They have so many options on their website, so I will leave their website down below in the description box. My favorite thing about this company is they give a certain percentage of their profit to organizations that fight human trafficking, which is a very important topic in my opinion. And ever since 2020, it's been very important to me, and I'm kind of more mindful with how I spend my money and where my money goes to. And again, here is my code down below, MONISEFREE, if you would like a discount on anything you purchase on Simply Earth to start your toxin-free lifestyle. I'm going to be making a strawberry cold brew. I have never made this before, so I actually did a cold brew French press the night before, and this is my first time ever trying this. So I'm just pouring the cold coffee over this adorable mug, and then I decided to make the strawberry cold foam in that little frother behind me. I also decided to cut strawberries as little garnish shaped as a heart. And then what I did with the froth, I ended up putting about a tablespoon of the strawberry syrup in there, and then I did half whipping cream and then half milk, and then I just kind of let it froth until it was ready, and I poured it into the coffee, and then I sprinkled some heart-shaped sprinkles over top of it to kind of make it cute. If you celebrate Galentine's Day with your girlfriends, this is a really fun idea to make for your friends, and just kind of make drinks together and even make that heart-shaped wreath together. I just love this cup. This mug is so pretty that my mom gave me, and my cute little strawberry heart. It's good. Could use a little more sugar. I think I maybe would have added more syrup if I knew it was going to be a little not too sweet. But it's pretty good, honestly. It's a really good recipe if you like coffee. If you don't like coffee, you would probably hate this. But I just love how cute. It's a simple recipe, especially if you liked iced coffee. It was actually my 35th birthday a few days ago, and my mom made cake, and this is all homemade. She made the frosting, she made raspberry jam and a delicious cream inside as well, and she just, this was might have been her best cake she's made. I'm not a cake fan, but when she makes cake, I love it every time. It's so delicious. So I decided to have a slice, and I had it with my coffee, and it was a very cozy evening. I thought this would be a really cool little project to do if you have Galentine's Day, where you just hang out with all your girlfriends. It's a fun little craft that you can make together, and you can also use dried flowers or, you know, just things you have around the house, so it's cheaper. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you still haven't. Comment below and let me know what your favorite, if you liked the coffee or the wreath, if you would try one of them or both of them. And thank you again for being one of the 1,000 subscribers who is supporting me throughout this journey on YouTube. And I hope to see you in the next video.